The dead bird. The dead bird. The bird was dead when the children found it. But it had not been dead for long. It was still warm and its eyes were closed. The children felt with their fingers for the quick beat of the bird's heart in its breast. But there was no heart beating. That was how they knew it was dead. And even as they headed, it began to get cold, and the bird's body grew stiff, so they could bend its leg, and the head didn't flop when they moved it. That was the way animals got when they had been dead for some time, cold, dead, and stone still with no heartbeat. The children were very sorry the bird was dead and could never fly again, but they were glad they had found it because now they could dig a grave in the woods and bury. They could have a funeral and sing to it the way grown-up people did when someone died. So they took it out in the woods, and they dug a hole in the ground. They put warm sweat ferns in the bottom of the grave, and they wrapped the bird up in grapevine leaves and put it in the ground. Then they put more ferns on top of it and a little white violet and yellow star flowers. Then they sang a song to it. Oh, bird, you're dead. You'll never fly again. Way up high with other birds in the sky. We sing to you because you're dead, feathered bird. And we buried you in the ground with ferns and flowers because you will never fly again in the sky. Way up high, little dead bird. Then they cried because their song was so beautiful and the fruit smelled so sweetly and the bird was dead. They put dirt over the bird as they sang, and then they put more fruit and flowers and a gravestone on top of the dirt. On the stone they wrote, "Here lies a bird that is dead." Around the store they planted violet plants and wild greens. Only the greens fed. And every day until they forgot, they went and sang to their little dead bird and put fresh flowers on his graveyard.